In some special places, every detail matters. Inside your walls are treasure beyond measure, protected by your unwavering dedication. Managing the perfect environment for irreplaceable artifacts is a task needing careful attention. Temperature, humidity, security, every aspect meticulously monitored to safeguard history. InMapz understands these unique challenges. Our solution? A tailored approach to support your mission. From real-time environmental monitoring to alerts for any irregularities, water leaks, temperature shifts, or security breaches, InMapz is your trusted helper. Every location is unique, and so is our approach. InMapz ensures that what is priceless remains protected.